1987 GMC Sierra Classic 1500. Has a good old Chevy 350 in it. He had headers put on it, not by us, but by someone. He had catalytic converters put on it, not by us, but by someone. What we did was these straight pipes, cat back, and he had his own black tips. I know they're mismatched, is how he had it, so we just uploaded whatever he wanted. There you go. Tell us what you guys think. That was a little loud.